Damn. Daniel's out here getting the fucking mufflers taken off the H3T like a goon. We're gonna be out here doing some skids in this massive lot. 240 hopefully doesn't throw a rod. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You would never catch me riding a bike.
Really?
Yeah, I think I'd kill myself.
I definitely ride a bike. I want a supermoto.
Look at this man. Look at this man. Yo, but anyways, look at this STI. This STI is mint. Air geared. Air geared. It is. I think all STIs are stick. I think anything WRXs.
Damn, you're right. I think so. Wait, actually.
First of all, these SRT wheels, oh my god. And a brand new LT1 is going in this BMW shell. I think I've said before, I know absolutely nothing about BMWs, but I wish I did. Get away. But anyways, we're at V-Race, obviously, and you know, like I just said, we're just going to be tearing out this parking lot here in a few minutes. We're just waiting for Garrett and Cumbo to come along here. You know, they got a lot of cool project cars and everything. They do a bunch of stuff, a bunch of welding, fabricating stuff, so the shop's pretty cool. I never even heard of it until like last week, but it's mint. Alright, so I take it out just to take one little like drift session, right? And I come back and I park the car for a minute and I walk back outside and there's oil trailing out from under here. And we've been looking at it. I know you can't really see anything, but where that towel is down there, there was like just one little drop of oil that had dropped from the oil return line on the turbo. And well, you can't see anything, but I'm thinking it's just coming from that. The motor has always just leaked barely a little bit of oil, and I think it goes like on the block and down the oil pan. It gets like all like crummy and stuff. But I think what happened was I'm drifting in the rain, right? And so there's a bunch of water, and I just hit all these massive puddles, and it shoots the water up onto the block, and then when I go and park it all drains down. And I think that's what happened, because so far I'm not seeing any leak at all. So I hope we're good. I hope I can actually drive home. So wish me luck. Going on hopes and dreams. I don't even remember what it sounded like before. It's definitely got a lot more gurgle to it.
Yeah.
From what I remember.
We out here, Gen 3 Productions, filming for Nikki Dimitri. Ooh, scraping that exhaust. Hey, you threw sparks.
You threw sparks.
This tire threw sparks. Yeah.
I think because of rocks.
Probably. Try. Oh yeah, that's smoking. Try it again. Hey, wait. It's like, I'm gonna go out here.
This thing's so easy to work around.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, look at this.
Oh shit, what's that?
This is my temp gauge.
Naked.
Came off.
Yeah, I did this when I left Daniels too, and I fucking crimped it with my thumbnail. And it worked.
Damn, that's
Pretty
pushing
cool
some
little
heat.
car, man. I like it a lot.
Thank you.
Mackenzie from Zrace. Zrace Garage out here, Project High Boost.
The drift session was ended a little bit early today.
Yeah, here,
Oh yeah,
here you go.
yeah.
Project High Boost underscore.
The drift session was ended a little bit early today due to this piece of shit spewing a little bit of oil.
Just 240 things.
Yeah,
man.
it's normal actually.
I think we're gonna line up a little race here in the 300S. Is that right?
Big because I can't hook.
We better do a 10
Actually, I
roll.
won't even hook on there. I tried hitting boost on the way here and it wasn't even raining.
You gonna do a 10 roll?
Dude, I'm down.
You do a 10 roll. At Nikki.
Alright, I do have to drive home, so I'm not whipping the 240 anymore. But we are whipping the 400Z, the 4.0 with the straight pipe. That sounds good. Yeah!
Somebody give me a fucking ice cream cone.
Sorry, bro, it's broken.
There we go.
Look at this man's rookie cone right now. That's rookie.
You're filming.
Alright, now we got. There we go. Look at that.
This man. This
Oh,
man.
shit. Hey,
No
watch-
way.
Watch him. Watch him. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh, crap.
You even got the top right. That was good.
Where's mine?
That was good. Dude, it almost just fell.
Cut that shit, dude.
We did barbecue today.
Stupid feet. I'm fucking down.
Should I diarrhea on the floor in that bathroom just to make him mad?
What?
Alright. I love you. Did you do anything for $20?
Huh?
Did you do anything for $20? You guys. Okay.
Whatever you want, Poppy. Where my
We're literally just tearing this man's car apart. He jumped on the hood and
Wait,
it
Nick,
fucking
do it
went
again.
all the way in,
Okay.
dude.
There we go. Fix this hoopty.
Should I do it again?
No.
Yeah, yeah.
fix it.
Yeah, do it again. Do it again.
Do it again.
What the hell is he doing? Oh boy. That's a bad idea, dude.
Ready? Oh, shit.
Over here.
Nick,
There's
you didn't put the other one back in.
You put the other one in.
Nick, you put the other one back in, puss.
All you fucking do is plug it in, motherfucker.
Plug it in.
Oh.
I need to be able to at least see.
There you go.
Look at this fucking thing.
I thought you kicked the 240 for a second. I was like, oh shit.
Fucking do it. You'll be in the hospital.
Nick, quit. All right. Quit.
Why? Remodeling.
Damn.
I want to hit it.
No, I want to hit it.
No.
Yeah,
No.
like a
That's
part
me.
already bent.
Do not.
That's
Look like it
me.
right here.
That's
It's already
me.
fucking bent.
Do it right in the gas tank. Let me try.
It wasn't even hard.
Dude, he's gonna hit the light.
No, I'm
Look at
not.
that.
If you hit the light.
If you hit the light, that's bad.
Beach.
Dude, do it again. We gotta do it again.
No.
He goes,
You already beat the shit out of it. Get the fuck out.
Oh, okay.
Go home, bitch. Your mom wants you.
I am. Go.
Hit it.
I don't have to go home yet.
Your mom called you like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, she used to have to go home.
Alright, guys. That's all for today. We stopped to get some McDonald's.
hey guys, Chris Rednick here.
You already had 360,
I
bitch.
know, I'm saying. Go
Keep
up
moving forward.
Keep moving forward.
I feel
King
so
squad.
autistic with
You are autistic.
this. Ow.
Well, it seems as if this is the end of the night. Everyone's going home. It's 8:47. Daniel got his exhaust done. It's okay. We had fun.